Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to check mouse DPI in Windows 10. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Windows Start menu or press the Windows button on your keyboard. Next, search for mouse settings in the search bar and click to open it from the search results. In the mouse settings window, from the top right side, locate and click on additional mouse options. A new window will pop up on the screen. From this window, open the Pointer Options tab. Here disable Enhance Pointer Precision and then click on Apply and then OK. Now close this window and open a web browser that you use for search. Search for mouse DPI test and hit enter on your keyboard. Open the first website from the search results. Once the website opens up, make sure you are on the DPI Analyzer section. Now scroll down and enter the target distance value as 2 and change the units to inches. Next, grab the red icon and drag it over the scale. You will see your actual DPI value displayed on the screen. And that's it. This is how you can check your mouse DPI in Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.